NCERT Class 6 English Chapter Number 1. Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick never did homework.
Too boring.
He said he played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he feel like ignoramus, but what could he do? He hated homework. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch. He yelled,
Save me, save me. Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I will promise you that.
Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said,
Only if you do all my homeworks till the end of the semester, that's 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I could even get A as in my marks.
The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his leg and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and slowest and pursed his lips.
Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it.
And true on his words, that little Eve began to do Patrick's homework. Expect there was one glitch. The Eve didn't always know what to do and he needed help.
Help me, help me.
He did say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way.
I don't know this word.
The Eve squeaked while reading Patrick's homework.
Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. This is the science homework. I have to draw like this picture shown in the textbook, and I have to label it. Also, we have to write the question and answers. We'll look into it afterwards. Now, next textbook.
When it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck.
This is the format of the max. We have to complete it. What are the timetables?
The Eve shrinked.
We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply just guide me. Oh, okay. See. Now, this is history textbook.
Elves know nothing about human history. To them, it is a mystery. So, the little Eve, already a shouter, just a louder.
Go to the library. I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too.
As a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little Eve was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was a drag.
See now, these answers are correct. First explain me, then I will tell. Oh, okay.
After explaining,
That's perfect. Open now science book. Let's discuss it now. First, read out the lesson and then explain me. Then we will look into the exercise. Okay. The lesson is completed now. Okay. Now let's take out the exercise. Like this? Yes, that's fine. See, this is the computer format paper. Like this, in our exam will come. We have to prepare. So what should I do now? Read out all the questions. I will tell them. Oh. Okay, let's start.
he was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and beerly.
These are the English question and answers, and we have to write the answers of this question that comes from the exam. So what I have to do now? Read all the questions and explain me. Then we'll look into the book and then write the answers.
after completing English.
See this drawing. Is it nice? I drawn it for my art book. Okay, it's nice.
Finally, Patrick submitted all of his homework to the teacher.
I will check it, Patrick. Go now.
Teacher was shocked seeing at the Patrick's homework. Every line, every sentence was in neat and clean handwriting, and his reading was also good in that classes. He gave good marks in the orals also and in the drawing also. Finally, the last of the school arrived and the Eve was free to go. As for the homework, there was no more, so he quietly and silly slipped out of the back door. Patrick got AS in his marks. His classmates were shocked. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And what about his parents? They wondered what had happened to the Patrick. He was now the model kid, cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new altitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he did made that tiny man to do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the Eve, Patrick had done it himself. Written by Carol Morey.